Hey folks, Mark again, Mark's Whole Scale Trains. Wanted to do another video today while I was at it on an engine that I've actually had in the roster for a while. This here is from Lionel. It is an ES4400AC Norfolk Southern diesel engine from the signature catalog of 2015. So I figured I'd just do a video on it. I had it here. I'm at my home bench test layout. My actual layout is still at my folks' home, which is only about 300 yards south of me here. So it's relatively close, but in the future I will be doing a layout here, and I bring some stuff over. I bench test it. I do some work on it, and I figured this was here, so I'd do a video on it just to show you some of the phenomenal detail that Lionel offers. Now, I know we have MTH fans, we have Lionel fans, we have Atlas fans. I like them all. I tend to really enjoy the Lionel Legacy line of diesel engines and steam engines. I think the detail, the sound, everything that Lionel is giving us in the way of these old scale models is absolutely fantastic. Now we can hem and haw all day long about quality and service, and we don't need to go down that road, but we do know. We do all have a favorite. So this particular engine here, I ended up getting this from Grzybowski's train store in Pennsylvania as well. This cost about 544 bucks, and that was back in 2016. I got it December of 2016. Doesn't have a lot of runtime on it, but it is a fantastic engine. I'll start it up. I love it. It's just I love the detail on it and some of the features of this engine, especially when you're running it with Legacy. I like both systems. There are certain things that I like about Legacy a little bit more in regards to the operation of the trains, but all the same, they're great in my eyes. Just some of the details on the engine. The trucks are highly detailed down below. We've got the treaded walkway up here at top. We've got the drainage holes on the stairs front and rear. We've got the front and rear firing couplers. All the separately applied details that you see from the handrails, grab irons, the chain up front, all the nice little roof details, and then along the entire top. The engine also has a great smoke unit in it. It's got the Rail Sounds 5, and I really enjoy the sound, especially from the deep bass sound you get out of the Lionel Legacy engines. And it has also ditch lights up front. But I'll fire it up and have you take a listen to it, see what you think, and eventually I'll get running video of it. But I just had it here, so I figured I'd just do a quick video on it. So there we have it. Just a quick video on an engine that I've had in the collection for a little while. Again, this is from the Signature Edition 2015 catalog, Lionel 6-82209, ES4400AC, 8056 is the road number, as you can see. The engine, love it. I think it adds a lot to the layout, and I was pretty happy to bring this in. And it looks like, at this point anyway, I'll be bringing in a lot more Lionel. I think I've only got maybe 4 Lionel Legacy engines. I'm still getting used to the remote control. I've had the MTH for quite some time, but the engine itself, I've been real pleased with. Been pretty happy with everything, and all the detail on the engine and the operation of the Legacy has been fantastic. So that's it for now. I guess I will see you guys in the next video.